disturb this one. We have a new fishing here. So we started here. And just now. Somewhat like a jelly. You see?
And tomorrow, if you catch a fish on it, you take a picture of it with it in its mouth. You need a hook in the fish's mouth. You gotta do that if you're gonna do this. But you're gonna show you naked. If you're gonna catch a fish, you gotta take a picture with it in its mouth. Of your hook worked.
Oops, careful. We'll be up to here.
Yeah, keep going.
Keep going to here.
Yeah.
The neck. Yeah.
There you go. That's
It's
your
so
hook.
nice. My pink hook. Look at it. And I have one here too.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna turn this off.
In the spinner. So I'm going to do it again here. From here. Like that. What you call this?
I don't know.
What kind of hook is this?
Your hook.
Your hook. Just somewhat like a jelly. In the Philippines, we're just only using worms.
These are hooks that catch fish and keep catching fish, babe.
Yeah.
Worms, once it's caught, it's gone.
Yeah. So I cannot push it all, right?
Yeah, push it right up to the top.
Just only here. I have a spinner there.
Yeah, you should go closer yet, I'm thinking.
So how it will spin if it's...
That's good. Is it spinning now?
Mm-hmm.
The water will make it spin. Okay, you're good. See?
That's a weedless hook.
Yeah. A weedless hook, see? Doesn't catch you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use this one tomorrow. I don't care much about. Oh, there we go. That's better. I'm gonna try this one tomorrow. I'm gonna put this guy right here.
So we're ready for fishing tomorrow. Yeah.